So hello students, today we are going to learn how to install Zotero on your desktop or laptop. So Zotero is a referencing software which we use to manage the referencing or bibliography, and it makes our life very easy when we want to change the number of sequence of our reference, so we can do it very easily. And this Zotero is a very user friendly reference manager. Open a Google page, type Zotero and then enter. So you can see an icon here. Go on downloads. So you can see two icons here. One is the Zotero for Windows and the second is a Zotero connector. This Zotero connector is also needed to download because it will show the icon of Zotero on web page or Chrome. Then click on this Zotero 5.0 for Windows. This is for Windows. For a person who is having Mac, he can click on Mac and then save this on desktop. Click on this setup icon. It is extracting the file. Then click on yes. Then next, click on next. Then install. Click on this finish button. This is the initial setup. Now click on setup syncing. You can see an icon here, create account. So click on this icon, click on this and then register. So you will get a message of an activation of an Zotero on your email account. Now you have to fill your username and password. So click on setup syncing. Click on OK. It was a Zotero connector. So click on this. In my case, it is already added. So you can see an email ID here. Now we have to check for its activity, and you can see an icon here. This is a Zotero icon for a web page. You can check with the Microsoft Word also. So open any Microsoft Word. So if you click this, so in this case you will see that in spite of installing Zotero, you will not see an icon here of Zotero. So now to fix this problem happens many a time. So to fix this problem, we will come to this Zotero again. Click on this edit, preferences and then site. Click on this word processor and then install Microsoft Word add-in. Then again open the Word file and now you can see a Zotero icon here in the Word file. The same icon will appear on the Google Doc also. So for that, click on this doc. This is a blank document and here you can see this Zotero icon. So it is there in the Word document as well as the Google Doc. So this was the overall process of a Zotero installation. Thank you.